Being a coach or an entrepreneur is a lonely journey. We always have 10 to 15 list of to do things and all seems important. Even if we do 14 things and one thing is left out, we feel bad that we couldn't work on our business properly that day. When the entrepreneur journey needs a lot of your time and effort and you need to balance your family and relationships, what do? What is that thing which you can do to balance your entrepreneurship, your family, and balance everything as a juggler? For me, one trick always worked it. That is, whenever I need to do 10 to 15 things and I felt that I need to balance my other parts of life too, then I would check out that one particular thing which will give the most impact in my business. Follow the 80-20 rule. Which work will take 20% of your time and give 80% of results? Yes, in the beginning, it is very difficult to find out which work will give that. So I would suggest take a paper and list out all the 10 to 15 things you need to do. Then sit quietly in a place. For a minute or two, think about every action. Suppose it is starting your YouTube channel, then think starting your YouTube channel, how much results will it give it to your business? Then is it about writing your blog post? The second thing. Then the third thing, it could be working on the SEO of your website. Like that, list out everything and think, will it give 80% results for your business? When you sit and scrutinize every work of yours, then you will understand what is going to give you the maximum results. Choose that one thing and work on that. I am Kavita, the coach. I help with online entrepreneurs and coaches to work on their mindset and storytelling skills. For a free strategy call, please visit kavitathecoach.com. If this works for you, please leave your comments below. Thank you.